started with all the stocks that are in focus today, and for that we are joined by Vaishali Parekh, who's the Vice President Technical Research, Prabhudas Lilladher. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, good afternoon, and thanks for having me on the show.
Right, so let's get started with all the stocks that are in focus. That is in focus DLF. Vaishali is the name that you've picked out for us now. Let's look at this counter. It hasn't really done much in the last 8 months. In fact, it has really not given any returns to the investors. Last 1 month also absolutely flat. Tell us, is this counter likely to move now?
You're asking me about Tata Communication?
This is DLF, Vaishali.
Okay, so no, DLF actually I'm looking at overall, yes. Overall, I think realty is getting back into momentum, and DLF right now, as we are seeing, it is currently at a good support level, and I think it should participate from here on. It has done its correction, so 800 should act as a good support. And I think once the stock moves about 835, 840, it can get back into the trend to look for a target of 880.
All right, that's DLF for you. Tata Communications is the name that you picked out for us. Last 6 months, hardly any gains, like just 3% gains, but it's in the last 1 month that it has really seen an upward trend. Tell us, is this a trend likely to continue, and where do you see this going?
So as you rightly said, I mean, it's coming out of a good consolidation range. So now we see that the stock is showing some volume, and there is a pickup about the consolidation, the resistance of 2000 levels. So if we see the stock moving past and sustaining well above these levels, I think it's ready for the next target of 2050 to 2100.
Right, that's Tata Communications. For Cummins India is what you have picked out for us, Vaishali. Tell us, what are you seeing on the charts for Cummins? Because, you know, if you look at the chart, in the last 6 months, not too much, it hasn't moved much, just 9%. Last 1 month also, just 1% uptick. Tell us, what are you seeing on the charts? What is the upside?
Precisely. So I think all the capital goods stocks like Siemens, Cummins, I mean, they have got into a good consolidation. And with today's candle, I think it's getting ready, all set. It's right now at a cluster of moving averages. So I would say 3750 should act as a support. And this can go for a trading target, like we can look for a target of 4000, 4100.
All right, that is Cummins India on the charts.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.